Welcome back to AZ Classic Cars Cheap. Today we are diving into 12 classic cars for sale in America, featuring real listings, real prices, and legendary machines that define the vintage market heading into 2026. One, 1966 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $90,000. Located, Roscoe, Illinois. This 1966 Chevrolet Nova SS is a serious, purpose-built classic that blends authentic muscle car heritage with modern drag-oriented engineering. Recently certified and presented in very good condition, this Nova SS has been carefully assembled to deliver extreme performance while remaining surprisingly street-friendly. Under the hood sits a massive 572 CI 18 degrees big block Chevy, paired with a JW Case Powerglide transmission featuring a 1.80 gearset and an A1 torque converter. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with 4.11 gears, a spool, and 40 spline gun-drilled axles, ensuring maximum strength and reliability under hard launches. The chassis setup is equally impressive, featuring a four-link suspension with wishbone, an anti-roll bar, wheelie bars, and a parachute, all designed to keep the car stable and predictable at speed. A 16-volt battery and charging system support the electrical demands of this high-performance build. Fuel delivery is handled by a new GEM carburetor and fogger system, while the 4.5-inch exhaust allows the engine to breathe freely without excessive heat buildup, contributing to its street-friendly nature. Visually, the car presents extremely well, with paint in very good shape that highlights the aggressive yet clean lines of the Nova SS. Weld V-Series wheels and Willwood brakes complete the package, offering both lightweight performance and confident stopping power. This is not a casual cruiser, but a properly engineered muscle machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate raw capability, proven components, and classic American drag car attitude. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car. Price, $30,000. Located, Auburn, Nebraska. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro drag car is a no-compromise, race-focused build designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Built on a full-tube chassis, this Camaro reflects decades of drag racing evolution, emphasizing strength, weight reduction, and precise suspension geometry. The strut-style front end combined with a four-link rear suspension and wishbone setup delivers excellent weight transfer and stability under hard acceleration, making it highly competitive on the strip. Every major suspension and drivetrain component is sourced from Strange Engineering, a name trusted in professional drag racing circles. Power is supplied by a strong 496 cubic inch engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, a combination well known for durability and consistency in drag applications. This car has been thoughtfully assembled with racing reliability in mind, and while the full list of components is extensive, the overall setup speaks for itself once seen in person. The seller notes that the car represents exceptional value, especially considering that a fully turnkey version would command a significantly higher price. Offered at this price point as a roller or partial setup, this Camaro is ideal for buyers who want a solid, professionally built foundation and the freedom to finish or tune it to their own specifications. This is not a street car, but a dedicated race machine, rewarding serious buyers who understand what a properly constructed drag Camaro represents in both performance and long-term value. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Street. Price, $70,000. Located, East Moline, Illinois. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Street is a striking blend of show-quality craftsmanship and extreme mechanical capability. Formerly a drag car, it retains its original GM sheet metal, while benefiting from a full tubular frame and extensive performance upgrades throughout. Its heart is a blown 496 cubic inch Chevrolet big block, featuring billet 4-bolt main caps, Eagle 4340 H-beam rods, forged blower pistons, and a solid roller camshaft with matching lifters. Airflow is handled by Profiler aluminum heads and an aggressive 8 to 71 Wyand supercharger topped with dual 650 Brawler carburetors. The drivetrain includes a built turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with a transmission brake, reverse pattern valve body, ultra bell housing, and a 4500 stall converter. Power is delivered to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 gears, strange 35-spline axles, and a reinforced third-member housing. A 4-link rear suspension, full roll cage, and massive disc brakes on all 4 corners ensure both control and safety visually. This Camaro is unforgettable. Finished in House of Cola Pearl Purple with custom airbrushed smoke graphics and a removable fiberglass hood. The custom interior, aluminum rear wing, and Convo Pro wheels complete a build that stands out at shows while remaining brutally capable. This is a top-tier Pro Street Camaro built for collectors who want both presence and power. 4. 1974 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price: $25,000. Located: Cannon Falls, Minnesota. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova SS represents a well-balanced restomod muscle car that has received extensive updates between 2023 and 2025. Built to be both aggressive and enjoyable, this Nova SS is powered by a strong 383-stroker engine paired with an AccuSpark ignition system, offering modern drivability with classic V8 character. The drivetrain is backed by a professionally built TH400 transmission from Twisted Demon, ensuring dependable performance under spirited use. Chassis and suspension upgrades are extensive, including QA1 adjustable shocks at all 4 corners, tubular A-arms, Caltrax traction bars, and a trick chassis Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears and an Eaton TrueTrack limited slip differential. Rear disc brakes and Willwood front calipers with slotted rotors provide confident stopping power. Cooling is handled by a 4-core aluminum radiator with an electric fan, keeping temperatures stable even in demanding conditions. The exterior benefits from tucked front and rear bumpers, a billet grille, LED headlights, and American racing wheels that complement the car's muscular stance. Inside, a B&M shifter and Bluetooth radio add modern convenience. While the absence of heat and air conditioning reflects its performance-focused nature, true dual exhaust with Flowmaster 10 mufflers delivers an unmistakable sound. This Nova has earned recognition at local car shows and stands as a compelling classic muscle car with modern upgrades and strong visual appeal. 5. 1990 Pontiac Trans Am Drag Car Roller. Price: $22,500. Located: Cameron, Missouri. This 1990 Pontiac Trans Am is a purpose-built drag car roller designed for racers who want a lightweight, competitive platform ready for final engine and transmission selection. Featuring a full-tube chassis, this Trans Am weighs approximately 1,500 pounds in its current configuration, making it an excellent foundation for serious drag racing applications. The chassis setup emphasizes strength, balance, and safety, ideal for high-horsepower combinations and consistent track performance. At the rear, the car is equipped with a fully rebuilt Ford 9-inch rear end fitted with aggressive 5.43 gears, perfectly suited for short-track acceleration and quick launches. Weld racing wheels are installed, paired with narrow front tires and massive rear slicks that provide optimal traction. The suspension system includes new AFCO double-adjustable shocks, allowing precise tuning for different track conditions. A parachute system is already installed, reflecting the car's readiness for higher speed passes. Supporting systems have been thoroughly refreshed, including a new radiator and cooling fan, a complete new fuel system, MSD HVC ignition coil, MSD grid electronic management system, Mega 450 delay box, and a brand new 16-volt battery with charger. Additional race-focused features include a hearse shifter with electric solenoid, dial-in light boxes on each door, full Lexan windows, mid-plates, and a layout designed for a small block Chevy with Powerglide transmission. This Trans Am offers tremendous value for buyers looking to complete a competitive drag car without starting from scratch. 6. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $38,000. Located: Dyersville, Iowa. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air is a beautifully restored example of one of America's most iconic classic cars, completed through a meticulous frame-off restoration. Powered by a strong 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 and paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, this Bel Air delivers an engaging driving experience that blends classic style with dependable performance. Finished in a stunning turquoise exterior matched with a coordinated turquoise interior, the car captures the unmistakable charm of mid-1950s Chevrolet design. The restoration was performed from the ground up, ensuring the chassis, body, drivetrain, and interior were addressed comprehensively rather than cosmetically. This Bel Air carries significant sentimental value, having been built by the seller's late father. Because of this, the car has been cared for with pride and intention rather than shortcuts. It is not a project, but a complete, thoughtfully restored vehicle ready to be enjoyed, shown, or added to a serious collection. With its timeless styling, proven small block V8 power, and traditional 4-speed setup, This 1955 Bel Air represents a true piece of American automotive history. 7. 1985 Chevrolet S10 drag race truck, turnkey. Price: $32,000. Located: Port Byron, Illinois. This 1985 Chevrolet S10 is a fully sorted, turnkey drag race truck built with top-tier components and decades of racing experience behind it. Under the hood sits an alky-injected 421 cubic inch small block Chevy, featuring a Dart Little M block and AFR CNC-ported 227-cylinder heads with shaft rockers. The engine is paired with a Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro Tree trans brake, deep pan, and a 5800 stall converter, creating a proven and consistent race combination. The chassis is a complete tube setup with a strut front end and a 4-link rear suspension featuring an anti-roll bar for stability. Power is sent through a Dana 60 rear end with 4.56 gears, 35 spline Moser axles, and a spool. Dual adjustable rear shocks with 18-way adjustment allow fine-tuning for varying track conditions. This S10 has demonstrated excellent performance, running 5.80 at 120 miles per hour in the 8th mile under good air. Offered only as a complete package, this S10 represents a rare opportunity to acquire a proven competitive drag vehicle built with premium parts and no shortcuts. 8. 1973 Plymouth Barracuda drag car. Price: $37,500. Located: Durand, Illinois. This 1973 Plymouth Barracuda is a highly desirable, drag-focused classic that pays tribute to legendary motor racing heritage. Built as an eye-catching Sox and Martin-style clone, this Barracuda captures the aggressive spirit of 1970s drag racing while offering a solid foundation for serious enthusiasts or collectors. Under the hood sits a powerful 440 cubic inch engine, delivering the unmistakable torque and sound motor fans appreciate. While specific internal details are not fully listed, the setup is known to be strong and purpose-built, reflecting the car's racing intentions. The vehicle has not been raced for approximately 8 to 10 years, making it an ideal candidate for either a careful refresh or preservation as a classic drag-era showpiece. Importantly, the car retains its hood and deck lid, maintaining a complete exterior profile rather than being a stripped shell. This Barracuda represents an era when American muscle dominated the strip, offering rarity, heritage, and raw motor appeal in one compelling package. 9. 1968 Pontiac Lemons convertible. Price: $23,000. Located: Rowan Oak Rapids, North Carolina. This 1968 Pontiac Lemons convertible is a classic American drop-top that blends timeless styling with hot rod character. Offered in good overall condition, this Lemons presents as a solid and honest driver that can be enjoyed immediately or further personalized by its next owner. Its convertible body style adds an extra layer of desirability, making it a standout choice for enthusiasts who appreciate open-air cruising paired with vintage muscle-era design. The car has clearly been cared for and maintained as a usable classic rather than a trailer-only showpiece. The exterior retains strong visual appeal, while the overall structure reflects a vehicle that has aged gracefully. As a hot rod-inspired build, this Lemons offers character and presence without sacrificing DR4ability. It is well suited for weekend cruising, local shows, or casual classic car gatherings where originality and charm matter just as much as performance. This vehicle is being offered with flexibility in mind, as the seller is open to reasonable offers or a potential trade involving a truck plus cash. That openness makes this Lemons an accessible entry point into classic Pontiac ownership. With its classic lines, desirable year, and open-top configuration, this 1968 Pontiac Lemons convertible represents a compelling opportunity to own a piece of late 1960s American automotive history at an approachable price point. 10. 1962 Chevrolet Nova 400. Price: $21,000. Located: Salem, Virginia. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova 400 two-door hardtop is a classic compact muscle platform with strong performance potential and timeless early 1960s styling. Finished in white with a distinctive turquoise interior, this Nova reflects the era's bold design choices. With just 3,600 miles listed since its build phase, the car represents a lightly used project that already includes significant performance upgrades. Power comes from a 383-stroker engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a reliable and flexible drivetrain suitable for street use and spirited driving. Extensive front-end work has already been completed, improving handling and drivability. While the car requires additional TLC to reach its full potential, the major mechanical foundation is already in place. The hardtop body style adds further desirability, offering clean rooflines and a classic profile. Overall, This 1962 Chevrolet Nova represents a balanced opportunity for buyers seeking a vintage Chevrolet with upgraded power, distinctive styling, and room for personal finishing touches. 11. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Price: $38,200. Located: Glen Burnie, Maryland. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Supersport is a true SS vehicle with VIN 138, representing one of the most desirable muscle cars of the late 1960s. Showing approximately 68,000 original miles, this Chevelle has never been rolled and remains exceptionally clean inside and out. It has been carefully stored in a heated garage and maintained to a high standard, making it a genuine show-quality car that has appeared in multiple automotive magazines. The vehicle is fully sorted, needs nothing to be enjoyed, and is being offered simply because it is no longer driven regularly. The exterior presents beautifully, thanks to a professional full repaint completed 3 years ago. The paint quality is rated at a strong 9 out of 10, with clean jams, minimal glass work, and a striking fiberglass cowl hood paired with a fiberglass rear trunk. The body lines are sharp, and the overall presentation reflects the care invested in this build. Underneath, the car is extremely clean and well detailed. Power comes from an impressive 498 cubic inch big block built around a Dart Big M block, featuring high-quality internal components such as a king crank, diamond pistons with 14:1 compression, eagle rods, and ported Brodix heads. The engine is supported by a turbo 400 transmission with a manual valve body, Hughes 3200 stall converter, and a sidewinder shifter. Fuel and ignition systems are set up for E85, including a 1050 Dominator carburetor and MSD ignition. Suspension and braking remain OEM style, complemented by a narrow Dana rear with 4.10 gears and brand new front and rear tires, making the Chevelle both aggressive and refined. 12. 1970 Plymouth Road Runner Sport Satellite. Price: $39,500. Located: Denver, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Plymouth Road Runner Sport Satellite is a serious drag-oriented classic that combines raw motor performance with a remarkably well-preserved full-body appearance. Built as a purpose-driven race car, yet still retaining its complete body and glass, this vehicle represents a rare opportunity to own a properly engineered muscle-era drag machine. The car has been driven approximately 1,000 miles and remains in immaculate overall condition, showing no rust and still wearing its original vinyl top, a detail rarely seen on cars of this caliber. Under the hood sits a monstrous 440 mega block stroked to 588 cubic inches, with an aggressive 13.5:1 compression ratio. The engine features Indy heads and intake, Bill Miller aluminum rods with roughly 80 passes, and runs on C12 race fuel. Power delivery is handled by a built 727 automatic transmission equipped with a 4500 stall converter and trans brake. Out back, a Dana rear with 4.56 gears and a spool ensures maximum traction on launch. Performance numbers are impressive, running 9.30 to 9.70 ET on motor alone, and an incredible 8.32 at 163 miles per hour with nitrous safety and structure are equally well addressed, with a new NHRA-certified 8.50 cage, fresh 5-point harnesses, and intact interior components including dash, lights, and trim. The car also includes a Jazz 16-gallon fuel cell, extra rear tires, front skinnies, and supporting numbers components. Although the engine is currently out for professional work, the vehicle remains a rare, high-potential moped drag car with documented performance and exceptional condition throughout.